Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Finvest Guide, your guide to decode money. You want to become rich, right? But when you talk with your colleague or your friends, you usually get one response for sure, and that is invest in stock market. But what is a stock? In today's video, we will discuss our most common question when starting a wealth journey. What is a stock? Imagine your favorite pizza. Now, pizza is divided into tiny slices. All of them are equal in size. A company is like a pizza with many slices. The people who own these slices are owners of the company. These slices are called stocks or shares. And you can buy a single share or all of the shares at the quoted price. So what's exciting about this, you may ask? The price of these shares can increase or decrease. Let's say you have bought a stock of X Limited at 100 rupees. That means you paid 100 rupees to buy the stock. Now, if your company performs well, then this price will increase. And if the company doesn't perform well, then this price will decrease. Let's say the price increases and becomes 150 rupees and you sell the stock. Then you will get 50 rupees profit per share. However, if the price decreases and becomes 50 rupees and you sell the stock, then you will be in loss of 50 rupees per share. This is buying and selling side of the stock. But what does a stock mean? When you buy a share, you become owner of the company. Now, there may be thousands or lakhs of owners like you. All of them own such slices in the pizza. As an owner, you get the right to the decision making of the company. But if there are too many shareholders, then whose decision will be implemented? That's why original owners often hold more than 50% shares in the company. These original owners or founders are known as promoters. For example, the Ambani family is promoter of Reliance Industries and the Dua family is promoter of Relaxo company. But why stocks are considered as wealth generators? Stocks or shares often worked well in many scenarios as compared to other investments. The stock of Bajaj Finance Limited was trading at 126 rupees in 2013. Today, its price is at 8,168 rupees. That means if you had invested 12,600 rupees in Bajaj Finance in 2013, then today that value would have been 8,16,800 rupees. Let's take example of Titan. In 2005, Titan was at 12 rupees per share and today it is trading at 3,300 rupees. What does that mean? If you had invested 12,000 rupees in Titan in 2005, then today its value would have been 33 lakh rupees. I hope you understand the power of share investing. Not all companies make this much growth. But how to find and invest in these stocks? That's where strategies and research come into the picture. To understand such strategies and concepts, subscribe to this channel. A simple request, I'm new on YouTube. It would be great help if you could provide me with your advice for making my videos better. Please comment on your thoughts on improving the video. I hope you like the video. Thank you.